there, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaur from Speak Smartly with Kaur, and today I'm going to talk about a thing that is about your day one of English speaking course. Okay, I have started one course. It's about 30 days, and this is your first day. And in the first day, I'm going to talk about many things, but it would be just about 7 to 8 minutes. Okay, this video would be just about 7 to 8 minutes, but you are going to learn a lot in this video. So watch this video till it ends because it must gonna be helpful. So now, without squandering our single minute of time, let's jump into our main topic. So the thing number one, what you have to do, you have to consider this day as your first day of your speaking course. Okay, so now let's move on to the points. Okay, so the first thing what you have to do as a beginner. Okay, so for example, guys, you have started to learn English from your school. Okay, many of you guys are learning English from your school days, like from ABC, and then you have started to learn two type of words, then three type of words, like these kind of things. Okay, like those kind of words which contain two words, then three words, then four words. So you have learned this, you have learned English in this way. But right now what you have to do, for improving your English or for improving your communication skills, you have to watch videos in English. You have to watch out the content in English. Okay, and if you want me to suggest YouTube channels for learning English, so guys, there are many channels. For example, you can watch animated videos, okay, for learning English. And why I'm saying that you should watch animated videos for learning English, because those videos contains that kind of content which would be interesting for all of you, as well as animations are those kind of things which would allure yourself to learn English more and more. And this is, now I'm gonna tell you that why I'm recommending you animated videos for learning English. So animations are those kind of videos, or animated videos are those kind of videos which would allure yourself to learn English. Okay, and why they would allure yourself? Because they have a lot of colors, as well as they have cartoon characters. Okay, and as well as they have that kind of content by which you can learn English from the very basics. Okay guys, for example, you are just taking your baby steps, you are just a beginner in English. So from where you have to start? You have to start from basics. If you will understand basic English, if you will understand basic sentences in English, then you would have to jump onto the complex sentences. But firstly, you will have to start from simple things, and that is why I am suggesting you to watch animated content, to watch animated videos. And now you do not have to just watch those videos, you have to listen those 4 to 5 times. And why I'm saying that you have to watch those videos 4 to 5 times? Because by watching and by listening, you are going to contain a lot of knowledge about structuring the sentences in English. Because when you will listen one video repeat and repeat, okay, on repeat mode, so at that time you will get to know about the structure of making sentences. Okay, you are get to know about the different sentences in that video. Like firstly, for example, if there is someone, or if there is a one cartoon who is a girl and who is just cutting the vegetables, so she can say that I'm cutting the vegetables. It's in present continuous, I am cutting the vegetables, मैं vegetables को cut कर रही हूँ. For example, अगर उसने vegetables cut कर लिया, I have cut the vegetables, मैं vegetables cut कर चुकी हूँ, उसने ऐसा कहा. So this is how you are gonna learn English. Okay, मतलब एक वीडियो में आप कंटेंट से क्या क्या सीखने वाले हो, एक एनिमेटेड वीडियो से आप सेंटेंसेस को बनाने का तरीका सीखने वाले हो. ओके, these videos are very basic videos. And the next thing what you have to do, it's a kind of task for all of you, and it's about talking. Whatever you have listened in that video, try to speak that thing in English in your own words. Like try to describe whatever have you listened. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल कि मैंने एक वीडियो सुन ली, वो भी मतलब एक ट्री के रिलेटेड है कि ट्री में क्या होता है, ट्री में पत्ते होते हैं और उसकी कुछ टहनियाँ होती हैं और वो फल भी देता है या उसमें फूल लगे होते हैं. सो दिस इज द काइंड ऑफ थिंग दैट आई हैव लिसन्ड इन वन वीडियो. नाउ आई हैव टू डिस्क्राइब दैट थिंग इन इंग्लिश. Now what I have to do, I have to make sentences. I will have to make sentences if I want to improve my English. Firstly, I will listen that video, or I have listened that video, then I will describe that thing in English. For example, there is a one tree. I'm saying that this is a tree and it has leaves. This is a leaf. मैं कह रही हूँ कि ये एक ट्री है और इसमें बहुत सारे लीव्स हैं और इसके बहुत सारे लीव्स हैं, मतलब इसके बहुत सारे पत्ते हैं. या मैं कहूँ कि ये एक पत्ता है, सो आई विल से दैट दिस इज अ लीव. ओके, this is how you have to practice, like whatever you have listened or about whatever you want to talk, you have to speak that thing in English. For example, कि मैं सीढ़ियों से नीचे उतर रही हूँ, आई एम गोइंग डाउन फ्रॉम द स्टेयर्स. मैं सीढ़ियों से नीचे जा रही हूँ, आई एम गोइंग डाउन फ्रॉम द स्टेयर्स. मैं जूते पहन रही हूँ, आई एम पुटिंग माई शूज़ ऑन. मैं अपने जूते पहन रही हूँ, आई एम पुटिंग माई शूज़ ऑन. और मैं कहूँ कि मैंने अपने ग्लासेस पहन लिया, आई हैव पुट माई ग्लासेस ऑन, आई हैव पुट माई ग्लासेस ऑन, और आई एम पुटिंग माई ग्लासेस ऑन. ओके, मैं अपने ग्लासेस पहन रही हूँ, आई एम पुटिंग माई ग्लासेस ऑन. और मेरे हेयर्स गीले हैं, माई हेयर्स आर वेट. मेरे बाल गीले हैं तो मैं कहूँगी मेरे माई हेयर्स आर वेट. और फॉर एग्जाम्पल कि मुझे कहना है यहाँ पर बहुत सारे फूल है, देर आर अ लॉट ऑफ फ्लावर्स. तो इसी तरीके से आपको इंग्लिश लर्न करनी है. ओके, नाउ व्हाट आई वांट टू से हियर, यू हैव टू डू दिस टास्क फॉर yourself. You have to do this task on your daily basis, and this is how you are gonna improve your English. You have to listen one video on your daily basis. Try to listen that video 4 to 5 times in a day. Okay, and try to describe that video in English in your own words, like whatever you have consumed, whatever you have gained, whatever you have learned from that video. Try to describe that thing in English, and this is what I am talking in this video. Okay, it's about your day first, and you have to apply this thing in your real life if you want to brush up your communication skills. Okay, I have experienced this, that is why I have experienced this, that is why I'm talking about this technique, and it's a very powerful technique. Okay, firstly you will have to listen video, then you will have to describe that video in English in your own words, and it's your kind of task for your 30 days. You have to do it on your daily basis, and I'm damn sure that yes guys, you are going to improve your English if you will put your efforts by your from your core of your heart. Okay, from the core of your heart. Sorry, actually sometimes I'm fumbling. Actually I'm also getting lost in my words, like now what should I say here. Actually I'm in front of camera, so sometimes I also feel hesitate, but yeah, I have a confidence to speak in front of camera. That is why I am speaking, that is why I am recording myself. Okay guys, and it's all about day one. So you will have to apply this technique in your real life, and when you will apply it, and when you will have learned from this thing or learned from this task, please let me know in the comment box, because it's gonna help me a lot. By reading the comments, I will get to know that yes guys, you are watching my videos and you are learning something from my videos, and my videos are really helpful for all of you. This is how I will get to know about my content of video. Okay, and if you want to make some correction in this video, or if you want to say that I'm making any sentence in a wrong way, so please let me know in the comment box. I'll try to correct those things, because I already told you in many of my videos, because I am also a learner like you. I'm not saying that I am a beginner in English, but I would say that I am a learner. I am at an advanced level. I can speak in front of anyone, I can have conversation with anyone, whether I am making sentences in a wrong way or in a right way, but I am making this matters a lot for me. This matters a lot for learning English. Thank you guys, and follow for more. And if you have learned something from this video, then please like this video and share this video with those kind of friends who really want to learn English, who are eager to learn English, and who wanna brush up their communication skills from here to here. Okay, guys, thank you, and follow for more and subscribe for more. And once again, if you have learned something from this video, then please like it and subscribe my channel.